Hello everyone, let's learn how to find TikTok videos you already watched. Need to find a video you watched on TikTok but can't remember who posted it? No problem, with this tutorial, you can locate any video you've watched in the past, even if you don't remember what it was called. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and you need to go on last option settings and privacy. Now you are on settings menu, and you need to go on activity center. On this menu you have a 3 option, and to see videos you watched before, click on first option. And finally you can see all TikTok videos you watched, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.